shredded craft paper for festive gift box filling. Our craft paper shredding equipment can produce different types of craft paper, including straight and crimped types. Customers can choose according to their specific needs. Craft paper is convenient and versatile, serving multiple purposes. When placed in gift boxes, it fills gaps and cushions the enclosed gifts, enhancing the overall presentation and protecting the contents.